Hi, I'm Brad Schlinker, and I'd like to tell you how I discovered the only lawn remedy that ever worked. I've tried over the past 6 years to get my lawn to actually look like a lawn. I hunted down expert advice and would do what all the experts suggested. I'd fertilize, lay seed and soil over top, water on a regular schedule, but nothing ever seemed to grow. Or if it did grow, it would sparsely grow and die off when I got a little stressed. So I'd try a different fertilizer and follow the directions of a different expert, but nothing seemed to work. Then earlier this year, I was talking with my dad about my lawn problems. He mentioned that he had tried this product called SHAC Revitagro, and maybe I should give it a try. Of course, by this point, I was convinced that nothing would ever work, but I figured might as well try one last solution before committing to the yard renovations that I was considering. So I found SHAC online, called them up to quiz these new experts, and after a few minutes of conversation, the knowledgeable SHAC staffer had convinced me to give it a try, but I still had zero hope of my lawn ever looking like a proper lawn. And then the most amazing thing happened. In just 1 week, my lawn went from being brown and patchy and really weak looking to being a great looking lawn with green patches filling in where the brown patches used to be, and every blade of grass was looking healthy. 2 weeks later, the patches were basically filled in, and at this point right now, we've been using the Revitagro for about a month, and it looks like a totally different lawn. After 6 years of trying everything, I can't put into words how incredible this transformation has been. It even has a spongy, healthy feel underfoot after I water it. And honestly, look at the color. I had to call and ask about the color, and SHAC told me that it happens because the trace elements contained in Revitagro create a balance that the soil really needs, allowing the lawn to grow and look the way that it should. In my opinion, more people need to get to know about these unbelievably fantastic products and this great company. So after knowing about SHAC and using it for a month, I've decided to become a dealer. I'm not joking. This stuff is incredible. If you know someone that is having lawn issues, you should try SHAC Revitagro. My name is Brad Schlinker, and I highly recommend SHAC Revitagro. SHAC Revitagro. The grass really is greener with us.